Ipinahayag ni Pangulong Aquino ang posibleng pagtatalaga kasama Representative Mel Senen Sarmiento bilang bagong kalihim ng DILG, kapalit ni Mar Rojas na nagbitiw para bigyan daan ng 2016 presidential elections. Sa panayam sa Pangulong Aquino ng Philippine Daily Inquirer, ipinahayag nito na nais niyang iupo ito sa pwesto na binakante ni Rojas matapos italaga bilang Administration Presidential Standard Bearer. Git ng Pangulo, may isinasaayos na lang na iba pang aspeto para sa maayos na paglilipat ng pamunuan. Si Sarmiento ay tumatayo ring Secretary General ng Liberal Party. Nauna nang sinabi ng Pangulo na pinalawig muna niya ang termino ni Rojas sa DILG para tapusin ang mahahalagang programa.
Congressman Mel Sarmiento, I've offered the job to him. Yung former mayor, head of the House delegation to the CA. So yung transition is being worked out so that he is not thrown into the deep end right away. And there's a smooth transition between Secretary Rojas and Congressman Sarmiento.
Okay.
And of course, subject to confirmation by the CA.